Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best ice cream maker is probably one of the most versatile and exciting kitchen appliances you can own, allowing you to craft delicious, personalized frozen treats right in your own home with unparalleled freshness and flavor control, transforming simple ingredients into delightful desserts that are perfect for any occasion, from casual weeknight cravings to elaborate party centerpieces, making it an indispensable tool for any dessert enthusiast looking to elevate their culinary creations and impress family and friends with homemade goodness. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your home with this electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. You can use regular ice cubes, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks with the included molds. This gives you flexibility in creating your favorite frozen drinks. This machine features a simple 3-piece design that's easy to put together. It's also straightforward to operate, making frozen treats a breeze. While it's great for snow cones, this versatile appliance can do so much more. Give your blender a rest and add a fun twist to cocktails, margaritas, and other beverages. When you're done, it stores away conveniently. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. Explore a world of taste with various syrup options. It's not just for shaved ice, it's a gateway to delicious, customized drinks and desserts. What we like. This machine offers great flexibility with ice types, accepting cube, bagged, or homemade blocks. If you're looking for a machine that lets you control your ice source and comes with a warranty for peace of mind, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different frozen drinks and ensure long-term usability. What people say. It indeed makes freshly fallen snow consistency shaved ice. It did take me a few times to get it just right. You'll definitely want to let the puck melt just a little bit, or run the puck under water just a second, but it makes soft fluffy snow. Simple operating machines and gives uniform and fine shaved ice to enjoy varieties of desserts. Number 4. MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. Introducing the MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. It's your perfect companion for creating refreshing treats all summer long. This premium portable ice crusher effortlessly turns ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice. It also comes with free ice cube trays, making both ice blocks and shaved ice readily available for your favorite drinks. Equipped with high-quality 18/8 stainless steel blades, this machine guarantees rust-free and durable performance. Its 3 precision-cut blades ensure faster and more efficient ice shaving. Designed for ultimate convenience, it's easy to use, clean, carry, and store. The manual hand crank operation means you can enjoy shaved ice even outdoors, without needing electricity. The included flexible silicone ice cube tray lets you freeze 15 perfectly sized ice blocks. Releasing the ice cubes is as simple as a push or a twist, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy peace of mind with this BPA-free appliance. It's designed for your safety and health while you create delicious frozen beverages. What we like. Featuring high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel blades and a manual hand crank design, this ice shaver is built for longevity and outdoor use. If you value durability, ease of use without electricity, and the ability to make treats anywhere, this is the one for you. It's ideal for camping trips, picnics, or anyone who enjoys a hands-on approach to their frozen desserts. What people say. This ice shaver efficiently shaves ice in perfect soft fluffy texture. Best of all, it's mechanical, no electricity need, which also means it is quiet. The shavings are nicely fine and the product functions well. I am able to put 6 cubes in the hopper and the crank turns easily and shaves the ice into fine shavings for snow cones or whatever. It has 3 blades that make quick work of the shaving. Number 3. Nostalgia Coca-Cola Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Remember the joy of snow cones? This machine brings back that classic fun, letting you create delicious icy treats right at home. It's perfect for any gathering. Making snow cones has never been easier. Just add ice cubes, and its precision-cut stainless steel blades quickly transform them into fluffy, snow-like ice. Enjoy perfect icy treats every time. Planning a party? This is the ultimate crowd pleaser. It's ideal for birthdays, BBQs, or any occasion where you want to add a touch of fun and sweetness. This compact machine fits perfectly on your countertop or a side table, making it easy to serve anywhere. It also features a built-in safety switch to ensure hands stay safe during operation. Works perfectly with all nostalgia snow cone kits and syrups. Unleash your creativity and explore a world of flavors with your new favorite appliance. We believe in preserving the past while embracing the present. Our products offer unique, fun, and timeless appeal for the whole family, bringing joy and nostalgia to your home. What we like. With its charming retro Coca-Cola aesthetic and efficient stainless steel blades, this machine brings a touch of nostalgia to your parties. If you're a fan of vintage designs and want a reliable way to serve snow cones at gatherings, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for themed parties or anyone who appreciates a blend of classic style and modern functionality. What people say. The ice is crushed very finely, perfect for Halo. It's easy to use and clean, making Halo preparation a breeze. The machine is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy, snow-like ice right in your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making all sorts of frozen treats. Set up your own frozen dessert bar at home. This machine is designed for easy use and simple cleanup, making it a convenient addition to your countertop. This kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, and pourers. You can even use different types of ice, like cubes or bagged ice. With the included syrups, you can make approximately 24 snow cones. It's a great way to serve a crowd or enjoy multiple treats yourself. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and egg products. They are shelf-stable and ready to use. Beyond snow cones, these flavors can enhance a wide variety of drinks and desserts. Add a unique twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to get started, including 3 flavors of allergy-friendly syrups, cups, and straws. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for making delicious snow cones, especially if you have dietary concerns, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to immediately start enjoying flavored icy treats without extra purchases. What people say. When you use the molds, it comes out soft and fluffy, absolutely perfect, and grinds very smoothly. This machine is durable and works flawlessly. The replacement blades are not thin like a razor blade, but a thickish piece of metal that tapers to an edge. Number 1. Shaved Ice Maker, Aqua. Bring the fun of shaved ice right to your countertop. This machine easily creates snow cones, slushies, cocktails, and more frozen delights. Its compact and space-saving design fits perfectly on any countertop. It's an ideal addition for apartments or smaller kitchens. Enjoy a simple, easy-to-disassemble design for a no-mess cleanup. The sharp blades also ensure fluffier ice for your treats. Get creative with endless flavor possibilities. Use the included recipe guide to craft your own delicious fresh syrups. Gather your family and create joyful moments together. It's all about the pleasure of cooking and enjoying homemade treats. What we like. Its compact, space-saving design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or limited counter space, and it's incredibly easy to use and clean. If you need a convenient appliance for quick frozen treats and appreciate a clutter-free lifestyle, this is the perfect fit. It's great for individuals or small families who enjoy slushies, cocktails, and snow cones without the fuss. What people say. It is small enough that we're taking it with us to the beach next week. I'm sure it would also be good for making frozen mixed drinks also. It is so easy to use and clean, and even stores smaller by the base, coming apart and storing together. It's quieter than others I've had in years past. The motor itself isn't nearly as loud as others I have had. I also have found that I really like this form factor over others. Shove a cup or bowl under the outlet, drop some ice in, twist the cap, and you can go and get the syrups while it does its thing. Finally, any parts that the ice touches can actually be cleaned. This one comes almost completely apart, so you can just drop it into a sink of hot and soapy water. My 3 boys and I use this shaved ice machine daily. It can handle 3 fine, with the motorized parts just getting warm to the touch. What the machine spits out rivals our local shaved ice truck, and it has been a godsend for us during these back-to-back heat waves in NorCal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.